Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale online workshops with Zoom, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by defining the objectives of your online workshop. Identify your target audience and their needs. Research current trends in online workshops. Create an engaging workshop outline that can appeal to your audience. Choose a relevant topic that adds value. Decide on the format of your workshop, such as presentations, discussions, or Q&A sessions. Set a date and time that accommodates your audience's schedule. Create an eye-catching promotional graphic for your workshop. Craft a compelling workshop description that highlights the benefits. Share the workshop details across social media platforms. Post on relevant forums and groups that would benefit from your workshop. Set up a registration page using platforms like Eventbrite or Zoom Events. Include clear guidelines for registration and attendance. Send confirmation emails to participants after registration. Prepare the Zoom meeting settings in advance. Enable features like breakout rooms for group discussions. Adjust security settings to limit disruptions during the workshop. Create a practice session to familiarize yourself with the technology. Test your audio and video equipment to ensure high quality. Prepare your presentation materials and visual aids ahead of time. Engage participants with interactive elements like polls or surveys. Encourage questions and discussions throughout the workshop. Record the session for future use or to share with attendees. Follow up with participants after the session. Send a thank you email along with additional resources. Request feedback to improve future workshops. Analyze participant data to evaluate engagement levels. Use this data to refine your approach for scaling future workshops. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.